Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Where are you from?
I'm from Chapanauganj.
I am from Europe. I'm in Greece now.
I'm from Sirazganj. Right now, I'm living in Egypt.
I'm from Moulobibazar.
I am from Noakhali.
I'm from Kumilla.
I'm from Faridpur.
I'm from Naranganj.
I'm from Kumilla.
I'm from Habiganj, Sylhet.
I'm from Cox's Bazar. Thank you for giving your attention.
I'm from Brahmanbaria.
I am from airport next to Northern University, Dhaka.
I'm from Dhaka.
I'm from Gazipur.
I'm from Dhaka.
I'm from Patuakhali.
I'm from Kishorganj.
I'm from Naranganj.
I'm from Moulobibazar, Sylhet.
I'm from Jamalpur.
I'm from Freni.